left, cleared for takeoff.
13 left, clear for takeoff, 838.
I always thought this was weird, the way they have this.
This cutout here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Boeing Tower Skyline 642, like to make this one a full stop.
Okay, so on your downwind, just on the downwind, continue at 1,000 feet, and after you get out of, and I'll advise you when to climb to 1,500.
Left, clear to land.
You know what?
3 left, 642.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Boeing Tower 231, Victor Alpha. We passed Cherokee. Overlord 1, Victor Alpha. Looks like the Cherokee is off to the west now. You do have additional traffic. I believe it's just
Incidentally, the freezing level is at 5,000, between 5 and 6 today. I think I may have texted you that, though.
Yeah.
See him yet either, 231.
Snow level's 4,000, I think.
Pardon?
Snow level's 4,000 in the mountains.
Yeah.
Good, that's good.
Okay.
Go ahead and make the turn.
Yep.
Victor Alpha. That traffic now, probably about 3 o'clock. Should be no factor. Looks like they're heading off to the west. You do have additional traffic. Boeing 737 joining the ILS on about a 15 mile final. Altitude 2,200. Caution wake turbulence. Roger that. I've got the 737 and never saw the other guy. Thanks for the help.
What's the limit here?
You need to be 1,000, hold 1,000 while you're in the pattern. It goes up to 1,800 when we head out north, so just hold it at 1,000 till we're north of Boeing Field, then you're cleared up to 1,500.